So students will take up the next problem of exercise 1.2, that means 7.2. Now the function is given to be f r to r, means real to real, defined by f of x is equal to 1 by x square. So you are asked whether this function is 1 1 and onto or not. Whenever you find square or cube, be careful, and it depends upon this one also, whether it is natural number, whether it is real number. Now this is real, x is a real number, x is a real number, and 1 plus x square is also a real number. Okay, now first we will see whether this function is 1 1 or not. See, whenever there is a square, you tell me, if I put 1 plus minus 1 square, and if I put 1 plus 1 square, what is the answer here? This is also 2, this is also 2. That means what? This means 1 plus minus 1 square and 1 plus 1 square both are same. This means what? 1 plus minus 1 square. Is it not f of minus 1? And 1 plus 1 square means what? F of 1. And they are equal. They are equal. So now f of minus 1 is equal to f of 1. This function will be 1 1 if f of x1 is equal to, definition is once again recall, x1 is equal to x2, f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Sorry, f of x1, if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, it implies that x1 is equal to x2, then the function is 1. Now, this is f of x1 minus x1 is equal to f of 1. But can we get x1 is equal to x2? Is it correct? Is it true? No, this is not true. 1 is not equal to minus 1 is not equal to 1. So f of minus 1 is equal to f of 1 doesn't imply that minus 1 is equal to 1. So this function is not 1 1. Understood? Okay, now onto you think in this way. This function, this is 1 plus x square is a real number. A negative number can also be a real number. So let me take a negative number because it is a positive number. So I have started thinking in a reverse way, negative number. So let us consider minus 2. It belongs to, minus 2 is an element of this set. So minus 2 must be in this form. There must be some. Now you give me a number 1 plus x square. Give me a real number, and that real number, after squaring that real number, adding 1 to the square of that real number must be equal to minus 2. You think about a real number and get the square of that real number and add that square to 1. Can you get a negative number? No, it is not at all possible, because whenever if you take a negative number here, make it square, it will be positive. This is always positive number. This is always positive number. Plus 1, it will be always positive. So you can never get a number whose square after adding with 1 give you minus 2. That means what? This minus 2 is not related to any element of this set. Understood? So this minus 2 is not related to any element of this set. That means what? Minus 2 has no pre-image. So since minus 2 has no pre-image, it's not onto. So but how to write? See, I can write in this way. Minus 2 belongs to R. Don't stop writing, means don't write only R, it is confusing. I'll write here codomain. But there exists, the symbol means there exists no x belongs to, there does not exist any x belongs to the domain, such that f of x is equal you can write in this way, 1 plus x square is equal to minus 2. So you cannot find out a number. What I have written here, you cannot find out a number in this way of this form such that after the resulting number becomes minus 2. You cannot find this. So this is not a onto function. A function, if not a function, if it is 1 1 and onto, is said to be a 1 1 onto function. Combine them, 1 1 onto. A function is said to be 1 1 onto if it is 1 1 and onto, or this function 1 1 onto functions are said to be bijection also. We'll see use of the word bijection in the next video. Thank you.